3-star energy rating, 10 years of warranty on the compressor, dual tech cooling, no frost cooling technology is a variety of the specs that people look before purchasing a fridge. And here's a fridge that comes with all of those. Hii hapa ni hisense 470 liters. Iko na 3-star energy rating, kumaanisha it does not consume a lot of power. Iko na 10 years warranty on the compressor. It has a dual tech cooling technology that keeps food separate and perfectly cooled. Na inakaa hivi, it's a French door. Hii imedividiwa into 2 sections, the upper side and the lower side. The upper side ndo the fridge and the lower side is the freezer. It has a very wide compartment sitting on the inside. Iko na multi-air flow circulation inside the fridge. Iko na LED lightings hapa juu ya kukusaidia uone vizuri wakati unoperate the fridge. Kwa the freezer side, iko na 3 baskets on each side, 3, making a total of 6, which is very good and enough for your storage. Na hii fridge was going for only 120,000 Kenyan shillings, but currently it's on offer, going for 115,000 Kenyan shillings hapa Atenza Home Appliances. Na usisahau deal yetu, ukinunua fridge unapewa a free fridge guard. You can shop this fridge on our website. You go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke, or you can visit our physical store located the former Nakumat Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2. Come one, come all.